Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to add a delivery date picker to your Shopify website's product page. First of all, download the Flare app on the Shopify App Store. Second, start the setup. On step 1, add to your theme, you'll see a product page card with an add to theme button. To add the theme to your product page, click on Add to Theme. This will open the Shopify theme editor. Our app will automatically insert the delivery date picker above your Add to Cart button. You can see that's been added here, and you can see it in the layout on the left here. Now, to preview this on your live site, click Save to save the theme editor. Then, return back to the window with the Flare app in it. And here, we're being asked if it worked as expected. Yes, it worked fine in our case. Click Continue. Now, to preview how this looks on your live website, in the left-hand side on the Shopify view, click the eye icon on the online store. That will open up your live website. From here, if you navigate to any of your products, you'll see that the product page now has the delivery date picker sitting above the Add to Cart button. That's it. You're all done. You can continue on with the Flare setup. Thank you.